Good morning everyone, it's Behzad here again from Hey World Coder. Welcome back to another video of how to building an Android app using Android Studio in Java language. In last video we set up a method to show our user the current date in our welcome page. In today's video we are going to set up some user interfaces such as background and some icons to our edit texts. So we are in our welcome page right now. Just close these two. It's going to be a short video, by the way. I'm just going to do as quick as I can. Go to your login page. Come to resources. Go to your layout in your login page. So here you see we got our white background with no picture or anything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you one example, and you can just copy and paste what you are doing in your login page to all your layouts you have created. So to doing that, first we need to go to your Google. So this is the picture I already chose. I just leave this link in the description so you have the same identical picture as mine. Just save your picture. So preferably save it on your desktop or either on your root to your project. So desktop is easier for me. I just rename it as a BG1, so background one. Save it. So close this. Then we need two icons. So we need this one to show as our email icon. So save this one as well. On our desktop, same. Say email and save. So we're done for now here. Just close these two. This is a website. It helps you to resize your pictures for free. Most of the tools are here in this website are free and you can use them. But for now we are using it to just resize our pictures and make them usable in our app. So on left hand side you see an open image bar. Just click on it. Go to your desktop wherever you saving your picture. So this is my email address here. I saved it on my desktop. Open it up. And here you see properties on your left hand side. Click on it. And you are going to resize our image on the top one. Just click. So what size are we going to have it? 25 by 25. Yep, 25 by 25. That works. And apply. Then it will save it for us. Then here you just go to save as a PNG email one because you don't want to duplicate it unless you are coming back and change it. So this is the name of our file and download it. Here, open up where is your file, cut it and take it back to your desktop. You see it here. So we're done here in this picture, in this website. Go back to your Android Studio. We are in our XML layout, but we have to import those images to our Android Studio then to be able to use them. So what I'm going to do is just go to your project on a drawable here above your layout. Just let me minimize the layout. Just go on your drawable. Wherever you saved your picture, this is the email one, which I'm going to use, and our backgrounds. Copy them. On your left hand side, sorry. Click on double and Control V. Then OK, OK. On our Android project. So minimize here. So now I am in login page XML layout. Inside your start tag, so your linear layout, write down background and BG1. This is an ID of our image we imported. As you see here, it implemented here. Then we are coming down. So what are we going to do? We are going to give the background to our edit text. As you see now, they are not visible. So what we do is come down. Again, we need the background for them. Hashtag FFF and gives a white background to all of your edit texts and buttons. Come down. We need it one more time for our password. And for a button, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give a different color to it. I'll just put it white for now. Then on your left hand side here next to the background, is a small little square colored white box. Double click on it and open up a color for you. So whatever color you are going to use, you can choose it here. Just put it orange for now, and that works. So we need those backgrounds for our text views as well, so the user can see what are they about. So you just put on a background and background. As you see, the email text is connected to our edit text. That's why we go into our edit text in our email section. Just give a padding to it. So the 10 dp will work, and give some space here. Then I am going to import that image here on left hand side of this hint. So what you are going to use is drawable left. It will stay on left hand side of the hint. Then it asks for the ID. So just ID was email 1. And here now the text and the image are sticking together. That means we are going to give another padding to our drawable. Actually gives 10 dp around it. Drawable padding on your hand, top one, drawable padding, and that will be 10 dp. As you see, gave some space between the text and the hint. Now we are going to run our app to see how it looks like. Now we are in our welcome page. As you know, the app will automatically start on our welcome page. So what we do, just go on your menu, click on logout, then it will transfer you back to the login password. And here you see our background has been implemented. We gave a color to our login button and everything else right down here. So I know it's going to be a quick one, but I'm going to go through it with you and to let you know what you have to do. So basically, when you are going to use the interfaces, you mainly work on your XML files. This is a step 1. The step 2 is you need to import the images or whatever icon you are going to use to your project. How are you going to do it? You are going to copy them wherever they are. You have to import them to your project. Which section in your project you are going to paste them, everything's related to user interface is going to be staying in drawable folder. One thing again you have to remember, whatever files you are going to use, they must be in lower cases, otherwise you're facing error when you compile your app. So we downloaded this image view, we resized it using that tool, online tool, and we paste them here in our drawable. And from now on, whatever you are going to use, just copy and paste them and just in your drawable section. So let me minimize here. Then if you are going to give a fully background to your view, you have to set your background view in your start tag, which it was going to be your parent view. Whatever is going to parent view, it will cover full section of your app. Then when you come into your edit text or button or whatever you got in your app, you have to do 2 steps. Step 1 is you have to give a padding to the internal edit text you got, whatever you got. So 10 is mainly reasonable size. Then the next step is you have to assign what drawable is going to stay in this section. Is it going to stay on left or right? I'll show you the right one. If you are going to stay in right side, then the image is going to the right hand side of our edit text. Then here you choose, okay, it's going to be stay on left or right. And then you have to give another padding to your actual drawable icon. So this image will give 10 dp padding around this picture. And that doesn't let the hint or your text stick to your image. So then we are going to give colors, whatever colors you can do, or you can put any image or whatever. But for now here, this edit text says we are going to just give them color, plain color. So I just gave F, which is a code for white. And if you're not happy with it, just double click on the color box, text box here. It's very hard to see it when it's white. And you can give whatever color you're going to give it. You see, it's changed. You want to change it to orange, yellow, or whatever, you can change the background. Or if you want to give an image to it, let's say we are going to give this image here. It will change the color and background of this text view as well. So this is all optional. and is all related to whatever you want to use it and based on your taste. Decorated white, and that's it for this video. If you do have any question, please write it down in a comment and I'll respond them as quick as I can. In the next chapter, I'm trying to do more advanced on user interfaces, and I'll explain it in more details to you, how you are going to implement them and how are going to affect on your app. Thanks for your time and watching, and I will see you all in next video.